how you can convert videos to GIFs on your iPhone. Now before I start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your Shortcuts app on your phone. Now after you're on your Shortcuts, tap on Gallery on the bottom right. Now after you're on Gallery, just search for GIF, and after you search for GIF, this Make GIF will come up. Now tap on Make GIF and add it to your shortcut. Now after you've added it to your shortcuts, go to the shortcuts. This might be your initial page right here. Tap on all shortcuts and tap on Make GIF. After you tap on Make GIF, your gallery will open up. Now after you've opened up your gallery, you'll just have to select a video you want to turn into GIF. Select the video. Now you can even choose the part of the video that you want to convert into a GIF. Now after you select the video and the length, just tap on Save, and it might take some time, but after some time it will turn into a GIF. Now just tap on Done and you are good to go. So that is how you convert a video into GIF on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video.